this is Ishita and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to review this product. This is from Garnier and this mask cost 100 rupees. So it's kind of expensive and you have to leave it for 15 minutes, and this is a hydro bomb serum mask. So this is kind of interesting and also a fancy mask. So I'm going to review this mask after using it. So we are not going to waste any more time. So let's get to the reviewing. So right now I am like zero filtration, not wearing any makeup, not getting any filtered on, and this is my real skin. Like guys, I do have problems. I do have lots of problems with my skin. First of all, I do have hyperpigmentations like all over my face, and that's the problem with my skin. And my pores are like so large. I do have under eye circles, and I have like spots all over my face. Like this side of face is covered with spots, which I'm not happy about. So we are going to open this mask and we are going to apply it on our face, on my face, and let's see the result. Like this is my face without any makeup before, and let's see after 15 minutes what is the result of this mask. So in this package you will get like, oh my god, lots of serum, and what you have to do is like this. You have to unfold this mask and apply it on your face and remove that blue film from the masks. This type. This is the blue, this is the white part. You have to put on the white part first on your face and then remove. Oh my god, this is so hydrating. I love this mask already. Let's set our timer for 15 minutes, and after that we will see the result. So now we are going to remove this mask and let's see what the result. So I have been noticing that the mask is still wet. It is not completely dry, and I have lots of product in this mask. So I don't know what to do with this mask. If I'm going to squeeze it, lots of product still inside, but of course we are not going to use that. So this is my face after using this mask. I'm going to massage this in so I can get. Going to finish my face with makeup and set my hair, and I will be right back to discuss about this mask further. And so guys, I'm back and I still have this much product. Like it's still squishy and it has like so much product inside, and that makes me sad because I just have to throw it away. And my skin, after using this mask, I feel like my skin is sticky. I have like intense product still left on my face, and it's kind of a sticky, and it does not get absorbed in my skin that quickly. So I have to wait it for like another 15 minutes to get all the product absorbed in my face, and then do my makeup and all that. And still somewhere like in this portion when the serum went, it's still wet and it's sticky. My skin feels so sticky, but I think that's the serum and all that, it's working properly. Once a week, I think this mask worth a try. Like I can use this. I can also spend that 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes to myself reading book or having coffee, and still I have like so much product left in this, and also that blue sheet. So I can use that only on my face, and I should save it for later. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to waste this. So guys, I do feel so great. Even my makeup turns out to be so shiny and so flawless. I love it, especially this part. You can still see my spots. I have not used concealer, but I love this mask. I do want to say I love this mask. Even my makeup turns out to be so great. So definitely I'm going to use this again. So what do you think about this video and this review? Please leave a comment in my comment section down below. So guys, see you in my next video.